Welcome to our channel!
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and to our subscribers that's always there, thank you guys for coming back and thank you guys for joining me. For today's video, I will be making a lollipop, and it's a giant one, it's a tall one. So for that, I will be using this modeling balloon or 260Q balloon. Before you inflate this one, always stretch this one. So we need 4 of this for the base. Wrap this balloon stand right here, basically from the tip going up here. So I will inflate this using our pump. So inflate. So all the way to the tip, so leaving just a little on the tip right here. Okay, release a little air just so you can wrap this side or tie this side, this end. Okay, so as I said, we need 4 of this. Okay, so I have 4 pieces. So all you need to do is squeeze this or stretch. There you go. So now we will tie this end together. Alright, and there you go, it's tied up. So basically you'll grab your base right here and you just have to put this here and then wrap this 2 together. Twist. After I twist that, I'll twist this 2 as well to crisscross. I'll do it this way so it's connected to your base. Okay, once you do that, bring this up and then wrap this around your balloon stand. It's so easy to do. So I'll bring this down so you'll be able to see. Basically just keep turning like that until you get to the top. Okay, once you get to the top, you can just pinch it right here and then wrap this, wrap one of them. There you go. So now I grab like a 260Q or modeling balloon scrap. Just tie this here. This is optional, okay? So for me, I just put this here just to be safe before I pop the end. Now I just pop this. That's why I like this 262, so it's securely tucked in there. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's done. So as you can see the top right there. So I'll put this on the side. So now we have our modeling balloon or 260Q in a different color. So all the materials that we use here, we will put in the description down below. Okay. So now we will inflate this. So I will start off with probably blue, so it doesn't matter which color you do first. I leave like a little on the tip, the same thing like what you did on this gold right here. Alright, so we got this all done right here. So I might not use all of them, but we'll see. That said, we'll use our balloon glue dots as well. Either balloon glue dots or glue dashes, whatever you prefer. So basically, you squeeze this And then, so cut the tip. And then you just have to turn it this way. Shifting into a coil. Okay, so what I'll do is put balloon glue dots. Like that, and then continue on with the other color. So every time I do that, I cut the tip. Alright, so just continue on. Make sure you push it there. And continue your coil as they get bigger and bigger. There you go, guys, it's getting bigger and bigger. Just keep it flat so it won't unravel on you or it won't get undone. Alright, so we'll just have to continue on using our colors here. So I'll use this. So by the way, if you haven't subscribed as of yet, please subscribe to our channel. It will help our channel grow. And the same thing, you just have to push this here, add it there. Alright guys, so now with this finally done, we need our plastic cellophane. You can get this at your local store. For this particular one, I get it from Dollar Tree store. And then we'll wrap our lollipop with our cellophane. Just like that, and then you just have to tape this. So just put this together like that. And basically just put tape. I will use clear tape, and I already pre-cut some of this here. So this one will put this like that. Alright guys, so now that we're done, we will put this here and wrap this here. Just like that. Okay, so we will wrap this good. I will put some tape here. And I'll put this inside. And I'll use this. This is a balloon string. So just tie your curling ribbon right here. Just like that, guys. There goes your giant lollipop. I can't bring it up there, so I'm just gonna roll it sideways because you can't see. There you go. Ain't that beautiful, guys? So it's easy to make. I hope you learned something from this video today. Once again, this is FemMNY. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Alright guys, hope you like this, and we'll see you around. Bye! Thank you so much for watching.